Hello everybody! Today we're going to do vacuum cup massage of the forehead zone. I'm going to tell you why you need to do it. I'm also going to tell you about the right technique and the right way to do it. So let's begin. To start off, your forehead is one of the most emotional zones on your face. And lateral lines can form quite early in the age. With years, those lines get even deeper and form proper wrinkles. And in some cases, use of just one massage technique seems to be not enough anymore because wrinkles are so deep. In order to keep your forehead tissue mobile, you should also soften the forehead muscles and separate them from the skull bones. After that, the effect from the massage is going to be way higher. If during the massage it's super hard to move the cup around your forehead, it means that the muscle is still cramped and stuck together. So let's start off by softening the forehead muscles. Stick your fingers to the forehead and start moving the skin apart from the bones in all different directions. After that, finish off with some smooth movement and move on to your hairline. It's the place where the forehead muscle is being attached to the scalp. Put your fingers next to the hairline and move the skin up and down, moving along the hairline. After that, work through every lateral wrinkle in the same way, moving the fingers along the wrinkle. And let's move on to the cupping itself. For that, you're going to use some oil. But first, make sure that you remove any excessive makeup from your face. Then apply your oil, get your vacuum cup, clamp the cup between your eyebrows and slide it to the side, gradually moving upwards. After that, move along the vertical line, moving from down to up until the hairline. After that, repeat the same exercise but moving downwards. And then repeat the previous exercise again. For the next exercise, clamp the cup to your skin and move it in circular motions. If the cup keeps unsticking, it means that your muscles are overcontracted and you first should soften them. You should exercise regularly in order to get a good effect. And for the next exercise, we're going to need a very small cup in order to work through each wrinkle separately. Clamp the cup to your forehead and, moving back and forth, work through every wrinkle. In addition, you can work in the area between your eyebrows and wrinkles above your eyebrows. After that, clamp your cup and in zigzag motions work through the whole area of your forehead. It is crucial to cleanse your skin from the oils after you're done with the massage.
А теперь самое интересное. Мы решили разыграть набор вакуумных баночек среди наших подписчиков. Главное условие быть подписчиком нашего канала и написать любой комментарий под этим видео. Комментариев может быть неограниченное количество. Победителя выберем 16 декабря методом случайных чисел.
And now I have a very important question. We got a new mic. Can you please comment below if you noticed the difference and if it's better or worse? And of course, if you found this video useful, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friend. Don't forget clicking the bell to have all of our latest updates.